Familiarize yourself with the 2016 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.